Okay, right there, the edge finder popped off to one side. This is a 1/2 inch edge finder. And so, half the diameter of a 1/2 inch edge finder is 1/4 inch. So, what we want to do here on X is we want to say that the edge finder, we want to say that it's negative 0.25. So now, if I raise it up, and right here, I type G0X0, you can see that the center of that edge finder is right on this line right here, this surface. That's done correctly. Okay, right there it popped. I was just using this thing right here. So now, over here on the Y, so right now we're going to enter in half the diameter of the edge finder. The edge finder is a 1/2 of an inch. So we're going to enter 1/4 of an inch. And the question is it negative or positive? So in this case, it is in the positive direction, 1/4 of an inch. So hit enter right here. Now let's just make sure that it looks right. And you can tell that here it's right on this corner, and that's where my X and Y coordinate is in my CAD model. So that's just a good way to double check that you did everything right, because sometimes if you were probing this side, it would be minus 1/4 inch. So that's one way to do it. And what we're going to do right here, we're going to start to go like this. You can see this dial's moving here. We're going to do it until it gets at 0. Okay, so that's at 0. That's how it's done. So then over here, what we're going to do is we're going to hit that there, but really we want to say that this is 2 inches above the work now. So if I hit 2, enter, it thinks that it's 2 inches above, and that's what you want. So because it's a 2-inch touch block, we put in 2. If we had a 1-inch, same thing, touch block, it'd be 1 inch, but in this case it's 2, and that's how the Z is set. And then over here what we're going to do is, we know it's a 2-inch touch block, so we're going to say this is 2. So Z is 2 inches above your work right now because we're using a 2-inch touch block, and that's what you have to do. Alright, for the Z, there's lots of ways, but in this case I have tool number 1. I have a piece of paper towel here. Go down. And go like this, and right there. Alright? So then over here, here we'll go Z0.